Hello students, today's class is something very special kind of. It is related from the questions which are from your chapter number 1. Number 2, the same questions are related from your practical part, right? And they are very commonly asked in your examination. So that is why I'm going to discuss these questions, and for other observations and other name type of question I will post the questionnaire and you can say MCQ based questions or whatever. So that I am going to post, but right now we are going to discuss about some observations. One thing is very important, children. In the observation you need not to write the equation or the name of the substance. It's a very common mistake of the children that they don't write the observation, right? Whatever see your eye, whatever you see from your eye, whatever you smell from your nose, whatever you can feel by touching, that is the observation, है ना? But instead writing all those things, you people write the name of the compounds form, and that there is the place where you lose the marks. So only write what you see from your eyes. Here I have written the observations, very important, and written the equation also. Equation is not at all required in your examination, even in that test or in the exam. Fine. I have written so that you may correlate with your practical part which you have done in the lab or which you are going to do in the lab. Fine. Now the first is when the copper nitrate is heated. The color of the solid changes from blue to black and a reddish brown colored gas releases. So what is copper nitrate? CuNO3 whole twice. On heating gives CuO. CuO is black in color. What is it? It is black in color. Nitrogen dioxide is reddish brown and oxygen is colorless. So only you can see reddish brown colored gas. Copper nitrate is blue in color, right? So this is you need not to write the name of the compound that copper oxide is formed and nitrogen dioxide gas releases. No. You write only the color changes from blue to black and the reddish brown colored gas releases. Second, lead nitrate is heated. Answer is, it decapitates on heating. Decapitate means cracking sound kind of. A reddish brown colored gas releases, and on cooling, on cooling, a buff yellow colored residue is obtained which fuses with the glass of the test tube. So what happens, children? The lead nitrate is white substance. On heating it gives like copper oxide, that gives, like I write over here, that lead nitrate PbNO3 whole twice. Fine. It is on heating gives PbO plus NO2 gas releases plus oxygen. So PbO is buff yellow color residue which fuses with the glass of the test tube. Fine. So need not to write the name of the compounds, only the observation. When zinc nitrate is heated. When zinc nitrate is heated, on strong heating, reddish brown colored gas releases, a yellow colored residue is obtained which becomes white on cooling, right? So what is that? It is zinc nitrate, ZnNO3 whole twice, fine. And that on heating gives twice of ZnO plus 4NO2 plus O2. So what happens? Zinc nitrate is white solid. On heating it becomes zinc oxide. Zinc oxide is yellow. It remains yellow till it is hot. As soon as it becomes cold, it again acquires what? The oxygen from the air. It again acquires what? The gases from the air, and its color changes back to white. And then nitrogen dioxide gas releases and oxygen. Then the next is when hydrated copper sulfate is heated. Hydrated means having water of crystallization. So it becomes white from blue as water of crystallization evaporates. So copper sulfate pentahydrate is the formula of hydrated copper sulfate. Right, its color is blue. But when it is heated, its blue color evaporates. Fine. And it becomes a part of the air and it remains only CuSO4, which becomes white. But if you pour again few drops of water on this white copper sulfate, it will regain its blue color because it will again get the water of crystallization. Fine. So its color from blue to white on heating, and on pouring the water again on it, it becomes blue. So this is what some observations from this chapter which we were doing till date, right? And these are related to the practicals. Thank you, children.